guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Arapana for those that are new to my channel, and today's haul is going to be a Zaful haul. I do a lot of clothing hauls, styling videos on my channel with occasional motherhood content, beauty content, lifestyle content. So if that sounds like something you would be interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a big thumbs up, simply because it does help me out with the algorithm, and I would love it if you guys would stick around. So everything I show you in today's video will be linked down below in the description box, along with my Instagram, Poshmark Closet, my Amazon storefront. All of that stuff will be linked down below. And Zaful has generously offered you guys an 18% off coupon code if you use Arapana 18 on your order. You will save, again, an additional 18% off, which I think is a really great deal because Zaful itself is a very inexpensive clothing brand, and this is the first time I've actually received anything from Zaful. I've never ordered from there before. So a huge thank you to Zaful for actually sending over all of these pieces that I'm going to be showing you and trying on for this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's start off with this beautiful maxi dress. I love the material. It's perfect for the summertime because it's lightweight, and let me bring it a little bit closer to you guys so you can see the actual pattern. The pattern is super pretty. Love the green, love the flowers. I love that this entire part here is stretchy, and I really like that there are two slits on both sides, so you have a slit on the right and left side of your leg, which is a little bit flattering and super cute. This dress fits so well. For reference, I am a size 14, a large, extra large, and that is my usual measurement. My bust is 38. I do have to take measurements for my hips and my waist because you guys are always asking me and I never take the measurements. I always forget. So I'm going to try to remember to take those measurements for future videos, because I know that definitely helps you out when you're trying to reference clothes based off of what I try on. So next up is a two-piece set that I decided to step out of my comfort zone just a little bit, and I decided to go with a different type of animal print, like a fun print. The animal print on this is like a wider pattern, and I think the wider animal print patterns seem to look a little bit nicer. So that's just my opinion, and I feel like they kind of slim you out a little bit. And it comes with this beautiful little crop top. It has a little cutout detail here, and the back of it is like a scooped back. So these fit really well, you guys. I think these are really basic pieces that you can mix and match with anything. So here's a closer look of the bottoms. They are more of a straight leg, which is really nice. I find it to be very flattering. The top here is like a stretchy paper bag style, very convenient when the waistband is stretchy, and it also comes with this little belt so you can also tie it around up here. It looks very cute. I don't see anything through this, but I would always recommend wearing like nude undergarments in case something is a little bit see-through. The material on these pants feel very nice because they are a lightweight material, so again, perfect for summer. The top is also stretchy and it's a cotton material. Next up we have this really nice comfortable lounge set. So it comes with this lightweight sweatshirt and these lightweight joggers. That's what the bottoms look like, and it also comes with this little string right here, so you can actually like cinch in the top, making it more cropped or making it looser. So I really like that detail, and I love that they're lightweight for a jogger set. So perfect for the summertime. If you're going somewhere that has the AC on blast, this is like the perfect little set for that occasion. These are what the joggers look like, and they do have pockets on both sides, which is really nice. It's a simple gray color all throughout. There are no patterns or details on this, but I like the simplicity of it, and I like how comfortable it fits, and I like the little detail of the drawstring. So I think when you cinch it in, it definitely gives the outfit a different type of look. So next up we have this denim jacket in this white color, and it's also lightweight, so everything here is perfect for the summertime. Perfect if it's cold. You know, the AC is on blast in most places and everyone is opening back up, and now if you've gotten vaccinated, New York has said that you can go out without a mask, so I wouldn't recommend it. I'm still going to wear my mask. I have been vaccinated, but for when we start going out, and the restaurants, bars, movie theaters, all those places always have the AC on blast, and I'm someone that always gets cold. This is the perfect jacket to carry around to those places because it gets cold. And I love the little button detail. It does have silver buttons here, and what's a little bit different about this one is that it has buttons in the back and they are functional, so you can undo them if you want and leave it like open, like a slip back. So that's really nice. Also, the buttons here are functioning, so you can undo the button and roll up your sleeves if you get hot. So I decided to go with these pairs of jeans. They had a couple of good options, but I chose these because they are a skinny jean. They have some distressing on them. Again, this material is very lightweight, and I chose these because they are like a jogger type of style. So I like that this part here is stretchy. It does have a drawstring that works. I was just happy to get a pair of jeans that looked like jeans but didn't have zippers or buttons or anything to hassle with. So this is perfect for a comfy but cute look. This is high-waisted. The back of it does have pockets. The material itself is very, very stretchy. I am impressed with these because they fit so well. They fit better than I thought they were going to fit, and I do like the distressing all over it for a fun, like, casual feel. I also picked up this really pretty summer spring bag. I love everything about it. This one is super lightweight as well, and I love the color on it. I think it's so pretty. It does have some paper on the inside. I'll take it out in a second and show you. Kind of just want to show you the straps up close. So that's what it looks like. I like that it has gold hardware as well. I love gold on purses, and it just has one zipper here, and if you take out the stuffing on the inside, it's actually pretty spacious, so you can fit a lot of items in here. The back of it looks pretty much the same as the front, and this is a crossbody bag, so it's only a crossbody bag. You can't convert it, but I personally love crossbody bags the most because I like to be hands-free, especially if I'm with my kids. I like not having to worry about like pushing up a tote bag on my shoulder. I like just having my little crossbody bag and being hands-free. This would look so cute with that green dress that I showed you in the beginning of the video. So the first top I want to show you guys is more of a like spaghetti strap top. This one you can dress up or dress down. I feel like this is just one of those tops. You can wear it by itself, or you can wear it with like a blazer over, a jacket over, pretty much anything. It really depends on how you want to dress this top. Of course, I would pair it with something high-waisted because it's definitely on the crop side. This part here is a little bit sheer, so I would just suggest wearing a black bra with it and you would be perfectly fine. The straps are stretchy. The back of it is really cute. I just love the little like lace detail all throughout it. So you can easily take this top from day to night by having like a cardigan, that white jacket over it during the day, and nighttime if you're going out, just take off your jacket and you have a fun, cute little like sexy top. Next up we have this beautiful off the shoulder yellow top. I think this is gorgeous, and it actually looks really nice with those animal print pants. So the two-piece outfits I showed you, you can definitely mix and match. You don't have to wear them as a set. I love this yellow color. It's perfect for the summertime. You just look like a little ray of sunshine. This part here is stretchy. This part here is stretchy as well. And I just love the little detail on the top. And there's a little tie string in the front there, so you can leave it open or you can tie it up like I have it here. Again, the material is very nice and light. Next up we have this top. I was like a little skeptical at first. I was like, this doesn't look like it's going to fit, but because they're crop tops, they definitely fit, and they fit comfortably. So this one is a lightweight material, so again, perfect for those cooler summer nights, or even right now in the springtime when the weather is still a little bit chilly, because here in New York it's still pretty chilly. So definitely something you can get away with wearing now and in the summertime. Here's a closer look of the buttons so you can see for yourselves, and you can undo them if you want. So you can wear this cardigan open, or you can obviously keep it buttoned up. So this is just a really nice option. This is a perfect transitional piece. The rest of the tops that I'm going to show you are also perfect for now and perfect for summer because they are on the more lightweight side. Next up is this really cute top, and I like this one a lot because it's kind of see-through, so it's this knitted material. I actually think this would be a really cute beach cover-up top to like throw over your swimsuit. And if you're not wearing it over like a bathing suit, you can just layer a tank top underneath it, like a nude colored one. And I like this specifically because of this string right here, so you can actually adjust this and make it go up a little bit higher, or you can untie it and make it go down all the way lower. So this top has options for you. It's very simple but so cute at the same time, and I love a nice little v-neck. Next up is this fun tie-dye sweater. Super cute. It comes with a hood as well. Tie-dye is still in. I don't think it's leaving yet. I think it's making its way out a little bit, but it's not fully gone. And I do like the vibrant colors on this one. As you can see here, it's a ribbed material, so very, very nice. And it has a zipper right here, so you can zip it up or unzip it however you like. You can tie it around your waist. I used to do that so much as a kid. Just when I got hot, I would take off my sweater and just tie it around my waist. And this is the last shirt I wanted to show you. Very, very cute. Again, it has a zipper, and what's really nice about this one is that you can undo the zipper on the end as well. So I've been seeing that a lot, where you can just like zip it up like a little bit this way, zip it down that way, and it makes like a cute little top. So I have been seeing that everywhere, and I think it's really, really cute. This one is ribbed just like the other material. Very, very stretchy. Again, lightweight. It's a simple gray color, but this little collar detail makes it look different. This little zipper detail makes it look a little bit different. So I really think this is like a cute basic top, but it just looks really nice with some jeans. So that wraps up the Zaful try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you again to Zaful for sending over these pieces. I really like them. I think they're really cute and definitely super affordable. I love all of them. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Take care, everyone. Happy Mother's Day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.